Ito guys, may bagong babies kami. Guys, nakita nyo to? I'll feed them with the little crickets. And also some mealworms. So, ayan guys, tingnan mo. Yung liit-liit. Ganyan kalaki yung isa na binili namin the last time. So, di ba? Liit-liit lang ng isa. Cute. Tapos yung isa medyo malaki-laki. Aba. Ayan guys. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung bagong alaga. Oh. Ano yung baby? Ayan. Look. Tapos yung isang baby. Ito yung baby. Ipapahabol tong baby na to Ito ang baby. Tapos ito yung kanilang bagong cage. Kita nyo guys. Ayan guys, ang bagong cage nila na isi-set up namin mamaya. So I hope you guys like it. Please click thumbs up, comment, and share. Thank you guys for all your support. I love my birdie dragon sa Facebook.